I'm on a hunt for something that's no longer available in any stores by me because the season's over, called Perlite. Perlite by Miracle Grow. It's basically just a potting mix additive that gives you more aeration to your, you got it, soil. By the liter quart, and yeah, 8 quarts by Miracle Grow. Wasn't that expensive, they say, but I'm not going to pay $8 for just a real small bag. Where I need a little bit more than that, I can get a lot more for a lot less. Yeah, styrofoam. Break it all on up, and you can use that as filler, right? Well, if I can't get it in this store, I got one store to go to. I don't want to go now. I might as well just order online what I need. I don't need a lot. I just need to do for my lemon tree, my pineapple, and some of my other plants. Everything's online order today, man. Let me tell you. Didn't even have what I wanted, but they did have my pesticide wash, $8.99, but I still saved for a major brand company. Now I looked at Miracle Grow. I looked at the it's either 4 or 5 quarts, and I looked at the price, and then I try to determine on the other products that offer less quarts, and then see if the price is right. So I don't want to buy something that's 1 quart at $9, because 5 quarts could be $40 for what I really want to get, and that becomes quite expensive. Understand the thinking and logic we go through. So I'm not sure where this one person said they got Miracle Grow for a quart for $8. Well, it may not be something I'm going to get for the plant. I'm not going to hurt it if I don't have it. It's going to be just a little bit of a filler and nothing more. We'll just mosey along, find something else to look for.